we're going to manifest through positive intention and say, we pray to God in the heavens above, across our bloodlines and all through our time. We ask for your strength, guidance, wisdom, and protection, that everything in our path we clear and transmit through space, time.
What's good, y'all? We're at the Bonfire Rebel Showcase. I, of course, am Met A. Morphosis, and this right here is my mini thesis on Bonfire Rebel, so peep this. So B is for the boron element, O is for oxygen with valency electron, R is a Riemann constant, N for Noether's theorem of frequency.
And like when you listen, and for me, it's something that felt natural, because after all these years of questioning, you're questioning self, you're questioning what's around you, what makes everything work, should it work this way, shouldn't, you know. So when I sat down and thought about it, I was like, no man, actually we've been low-key referencing the same things.
How is everybody feeling? Now you're here and I went straight to the things.
So Elizo is the place of manifestation itself. And the reason why it's somewhere and nowhere simultaneously is it's somewhere for everybody but nowhere for everyone. So everyone has their own place like that. But because it's a specific plane, I'd like to rather refer to it as a vibrational frequency. What that in essence then means is to actually tap into that. You yourself need to first go back and say, know thyself.
Yeah.
You know, it looks like these guys are doing the thing, these guys are having a home, you know. There's a team behind these guys. But it's just us. We are random people, and there's nothing bigger than them. Sing a band, too.
It does.
My world, yo, it's my world. Run the heist world when I fly world. Get it in when I try world.
Genuinely being in this world is like being in a depression, you know. You cannot fathom that things will be fine or things will be different when you're in the depression. You know, it's only once it passes or it starts to pass, not even fully pass, but once it starts to pass and you realize, oh shit, was a phase.
Even any relationship ending was not the ending. It was there to teach you something. If you didn't learn, it will repeat itself over and over again until the cycle breaks by you expanding awareness to realize what the mistake actually was.
Values definitely need to shift towards more creator, not even art. Art and creative. Yeah, this thing is serious, it's real, respect it.
Bring it back down again.
Because people don't realize that hip hop does have equations. They're just not taught at all. And the problem also is those with that skill were not given access to academia so they can mirror the language of explaining it.
I thize ndibuye nophako nge ilephande phethe imiyalo yabantu bakokwabo ukhangela imali hlamba ngabuye nosapho
lithole lingena ndaba sivuka kukho bephanga amanzi angena endlini eqine isibende nathi egxoba kaxaka siyavuba sifihle inyaniso zemvelo kuzolunga usivile endaba.
Your energy frequencies travel through space and time and show you a quantum entangled realm.
If I let you win, promise me you won't be scared if I let you win. What you see, you never speak, cause it screams you hear. I want to never made it back, now make sure that you're ready, buckle up for the trip.
See with the bed, our scientists are working, there's like equations, there's pictures, there's words and everything, right? So they're trying to explain what it is that we do. So we're taking you from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. All the songs that we're performing are based on these ideas.
See, when you let the silence speak, only then will deaf ears defeat noise, will blind eyes defeat the dark, and when you catch onto the wind and the signs in its language, the trick is that you have to listen well.
This art is what we have as creatives to create a better world, to get ourselves to a place that we like. And we will keep on doing this for free if we can, because it means a lot to us. We dream about this, like literally, like we call each other in the morning, but yo, I had a dream we did this, and we come here and do this.
Ngoma ndiphalele ikasi lami ndiphakamise ikwaleqa ngicela mamele ndizane enkqubeko igama ngunyako kanduzuqawo kuthi abemuntu bulela uzophakwa bantwana abancinci nabantu abadala bayazi bathina sayenza le